Air Force One. Here's what I come to see. This is what I wanted to see right here. I'm going to tell you all about it here in just a second. This aircraft carried John F. Kennedy's body from Dallas, Texas back to Washington. And they had to remove the seats in it so that they could put his casket in the plane. I think I know where it is. So yeah, this is a very, very important plane. All right, we're walking through this plane. It's gonna be a little different. Let's see, there you go, Air Force One. There's where the pilots were. Control panels. It's very narrow through here. I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't say anything. Here's your communications. Right here. Here's a tiny kitchen. Very tiny kitchen. That's where all the presidents got their meals from.
He had pilots that drove it.
Somewhere. Here's where they sat.
Slow down, Bob.
Everybody sat.
That looks like the bathroom already too.
A little narrow.
Yeah.
And there.
In the bathroom. Dayton thinks skinny. Just give me one thing, guys.
Little bench seats here. Bench. All the way down, bench seats. All the way down. Oh, look here. This is the. I know. Doesn't really say.
This is where all his cabinet members sat.
Where did he sit?
The president actually.
Got a TV, old style TV. Look there. Offices. Phones, all those phones.
Please don't touch the aircraft.
Old phone, old TV, I mean.
Yeah, these are bench seats where people would sit.
And look.
Yep.
You can look out the window.
There.
Ooh, those are fancy. These are the fancy ones. Yeah.
Yeah, see, this is kind of where the president, its cabinet members would sit here too.
Bench seat all the way
You'll see
down.
the presidential area back here.
Papa, you can have fun.
There's a little seating. Some seating. Here's where President got sworn in.
Yeah, you see the TV?
Or the phone.
Tight through here, can't. It's a little tight. This is how wide it is. Seating, more seating. There's a lot of folks on this plane.
See, look here. Here's a picture right here where you're at. Right there. No, that is for. That might be.
And here's back here where all the. There's another kitchen.
On the plane right here.
Got a kitchen. Another one.
Very spot. Looks like it. He got sworn in because President Kennedy was dead and he needed a president.
Was your bathroom?
Somebody shot him. Yep.
On purpose?
On purpose. He was assassinated.
There you go. There we have it. Ooh, that was tight squeeze. That was cool though. Pretty interesting. There's one of the outfits. Little pilots. Pretty cool. Wow, nothing's complete without the Lego Air Force One 747. Look at that. That is too cool. All Legos. Too cool. Got a dinner plate. Johnson to Nixon administration. Dinner invitation and paper weight. 1973 Nixon. Ford's 1975 visit to Germany. Information booklet. Perfume atomizer. Wow. Sergeant Blair. Perfume atomizer. And flight information report and luggage tags. Here. Eisenhower administration. Cool. President Ronald Reagan's seatbelt. Playing cards. There's a lunch meeting in the Trump administration. Looks like they're having Parisian steak and cheese croissant, big green salad, and fresh fruit salad. Choice of beverage. Press conference, press reference, visitor's badge. George H.W. Bush Remington razor. There's a set of dishes. There you go, Obama and Trump administration. Serving tray, Clinton, Bush administration. Coffee cup, mixing champagne bottle. Look at that over there. Cool. M&M's, this is M&M's. Clinton and George W. Bush. Obama administration. And a lightsabers. Oh, look at that. Lightsabers from Eisenhower. Crew's visitor's badge. George W. Bush administration. There's a magazine. Here's some stuff that was on Air Force One. Here's some stationery. That's seal on. Look at here, cigarettes. Carter's 1979 visit to South Korea. Get him cigarettes. From South Korea. Look at here, cigarettes and matches. Johnson or Reagan administration. You even had your own. They had a presidential stamp on there. And Air Force One matches. JFK's cigar boxes, cigars. Matches and cigar lighter. Johnson administration. There's some playing cards and gin rum and scorecards. Soup bowls. Glassware. Napkins. Here is a serving cart. Please look inside. Here's a serving cart from Air Force One. Get your presidential glasses, mugs. Ah, look at there. Cigarettes. Candy, Hershey Kisses, Tabasco, Sweet and Low, you know, all your sugars and Sweet and Lows. I'm sure these are, I don't know, this is President. It's got the stamp on there. Really cool. What else we got here? What do we got? T-shirts. What is that? T-shirts? I can't tell. It's like a T-shirt. I don't know. It didn't say. Anyway, that's what was on. This is what was on Air Force One. This is what was for dinner. Here's your menu. Bacon cheeseburger, JoJo potatoes, chocolate chip cookies, and a choice of beverage. And I'm sure it was probably liquor. That was the menu. Here's what the flight attendants used on Air Force One, and the cooks and stuff that help. Uniform there. This is the uniforms that you wore over Air Force One. Get a flight crew checklist. Now you can't get into this one. They don't allow you anybody in this one, but there you go. Here is the Lockheed VC-140B Jetstar presidential plane. This aircraft was used by President Nixon, Ford, Carter, and Reagan a number of times, although it never served as a primary presidential aircraft, but they did use it. There we go. Here we got a Gulfstream Aerospace C-20B. This is another presidential plane used by the presidents of the United States that wasted our tax money. Just kidding. All right, it was used by Jimmy Carter, Gerald Ford, George H.W. Bush, and that's it. So yeah, this is a little bit bigger than this one. There you go. Pretty cool. And that's all there is on the presidential planes. Hey, I'm gonna wrap this up. It's a lot, dude. This museum is awesome. One of the best ones I've ever been to. It's free. It costs you nothing unless you want to do some little extra stuff. But man, this place is too much. It's a lot. It's too much walking. There's all kinds of stuff going on. So we're going to end this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe. Watch more. I got more coming. You know, so here we go. Y'all have a good day. Hey, thanks.